Importance of productivity. 1. Efficiency. Productivity measures how efficiently resources, time, money, labor, are used to achieve desired outcomes. Higher productivity means achieving more with less. 2. Competitiveness. In competitive environments, higher productivity allows organizations to offer better prices, faster delivery, or superior quality compared to competitors. 3. Profitability. Improved productivity often leads to increased profitability as more output can be generated with the same input costs. 4. Employee satisfaction. When productivity increases, employees often feel more accomplished and motivated, leading to higher job satisfaction. 5. Innovation. Productivity improvements often drive innovation as organizations seek more efficient ways to achieve goals. How to improve productivity? 1. Set clear goals. Establish specific, measurable objectives for individuals and teams to work towards. 2. Prioritize tasks. Use techniques like Eisenhower matrix, urgent versus important, to prioritize tasks and focus efforts on high-value activities. 3. Time management. Implement strategies such as time blocking, setting deadlines, and avoiding multitasking to enhance time management skills. 4. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize distractions in the workplace, whether digital, emails, social media, or physical, noise, interruptions. 5. Skill development. Provide training and resources to improve skills relevant to the job, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness.